Are you okay? I thought, oh my god! Sorry. What's wrong? Get rid of it. Sorry. Are you okay?
Hurt you. He heard you sing Lord's name in vain. He did hear you.
Lisa, what the fuck? Lisa, what the fuck? Okay. Talk to us. Come.
Ellie,
Yeah. Come in. You gotta see this. Come. Come here.
what am I supposed to do? Ellie? Are you okay?
Are you sure? I don't think so. What's that? Up there! I told you, didn't I? I told you I seen something. Quickly, no. I bet I can't even know. Up there, see? What did I say? Oh my god. What did I say? It's gone. No, shush. No. No! No!
There's literally somebody outside, like, dragging a bag at my work. No, sorry, I'm just recording in case something happens. I can't see his face. Where's he going? He's literally running down to the door. He's coming up to the door right now. See? Oh my fucking god! He's outside the door. He's outside the door right now. No, there's nowhere to hide in here. It's just this one room. The door is locked, but oh my fuck. He's like behind the building now. What the hell was that? What do you want?
They told me to stop because it hurt. What is hurt?
Parker! Parker!
Just woke up. I can hear Chester screaming for me. I don't know what the hell he's doing.
Accident ba? Ya, empty ba siya? Sama orang? Bismillah.
Oye, ahora, huevón, mira.
¿Qué? Sí, mira.
Se prendió la luz, huevón.
Ande, mentiroso. Avanza.
Lucho, no seas huevón, no.
Pero sí, mierda, debe ser.
Ya vi, huevón, no seas tarado.
Oyara, ayer.
Oye, ahora, Lucho, no. Oye, concha tu madre. La dos, huevón. Oye. No, qué chivolo, huevón, vamos a ver. No seas huevón, no.
No quiero ir, guapo, está huevo.
O no seas huevón, no.
Sara.
Oye, ahora, vamos.
Puta madre, no jodas, yo no voy a ir. Yo...
Oh, vamos a ver, mierda.
¡Vamos!
Oh, concha tu madre, se abrió la puerta, huevón.
No.
Oh, ya no. Oh, huevón, corre. ¿Qué chucha? ¿Qué fue eso? Oh. Corre, huevón. Oh, Yara. Oh, corre. Oh, no está huevón, no. ¿Qué chucha? Oh, ya. Oh, corre, huevón, corre. Oh, Lucho, ven, corre. Corre, mierda. Oh, no está huevón, Lucho. ¡Corre, Lucho de mierda!
¡Vamos ya, huevón! ¡Tienes que ir con mierda! ¡La madre!
¡Oh, concha tu madre! ¡Oh, Lucho, corre, concha tu madre!
¿Dónde vas?
I think is there somebody actually here visiting, and I think when I came around through the loop area, they might have walked away because I might have freaked them out a little bit. But Wait. Oh my god. She's right there. That's the lady I saw. It's an old lady. Hello? Ma'am? Do you need help? Do you need help? Yeah. Not doing that.
Y hagan espacio, no manchen. Simón. Le bajas al baño, ¿eh? ¿Alguien quiere coquita?
Yo no.
¿No quieres coca, Ivette? ¿Quieres coca? ¿Sí? ¿Tú no quieres? No. El usted ya se tardó, yo creo que se tapó en el baño.
Lucero. Lucero.
Hey.
Lucero.
Cero.
Lucero.
Cero.
Lucero.
¡Ay, cálmate! Y Lucero está mal, güey. Te va a hacer algo. Te va a hacer algo. ¡No mames! ¡A la verga! ¿Y ve? Es que yo siento, es que ¿por qué no nos hacen caso? ¿Y si nos hace alguien?
¿Y ve? ¿Y ve?
¿Y ve?
¿Y ve? Lucero.
Lucero, cálmate, Lucero.
Belum kawin itu tuh anu tuh, tiang tuh. Tiang mau kawin. Belum kawin nih. Mulai kan sudah mulai ditangkap sudah. Belum naik kelas itu. Udah kemudian lo, pas oleh sampai no, naik, udah sampai. Gumingau dulu mau pas oleh, itu lainnya, Ituan kilo udah sampai oleh no. Kamu. Sino, tuh gitu sino enggak kan? Kita kok. Nah, ini tuh telepon aja kata telepon aja. Siapa itu tuh? Ya. Kon penutup, enggak penutup. Aku naik kata kenal penutup. Video kena kayak. Iyalah. Lalu tuh buang kawin itu tuh. Pakpung. Ngomong tuh. Buku yang segitu andonyo. On high.
That was yo. Hello. What the f*** on? Jesus Christ. Christ, it was behind me.
Yo. Yo.
What the hell?
Yo, what the hell is that?
That's demented, man.
Bro, what the fuck is that? Hello? Yo,
let's go.
hello? Yo, we can't leave.
Dude, wait.
Hello?
Dude, let's go.
Bro, are you seeing this?
Yeah, I see it. Let's go, man. What are you doing? Dude, it's moving.
Yo, what the
weird.
fuck?
What the hell is that?
Yo. Oh my god. Wouldn't you, dude? Hello? Yo, what the hell was that thing, bro? You saw that? Bro, there's nothing here. Oh my god, bro, there's nothing. Yo, bro, there's nothing here, bro. What the fuck? Guys, bro, like.
Yo, what the hell is that, man?
What? Bro, what is that? Bro, that's the thing. Hello? We're not afraid of you. Yo, that's the thing, bro. That's the freaking thing. Bro, what is it doing? It's literally just standing there. Hello? What are you? Bro, where's my ghost meter? Oh my god, I forgot it in the car. Bro, I forgot in the car. Bro, what the Bro, what do you mean the other way? Look! There's an alley down that way. Yo, my camera's going blurry. Yo, what the frick is that thing? Hello? We are not afraid of you. I am not afraid of you. Oh my god, bro, what the Did you see how I was walking? Bro, that thing is not human. Seriously, let's get the frick out of here, bro. I've had enough of this. Oh my god, bro. Oh my god.
Dude, I'm bleeding.
Bro, are you what?
What the fuck?
Bro, why are you bleeding?
I don't know.
Yo, what the? How are you? Bro, where the hell is this coming from? Yo. Okay, yo, we're getting the hell out of here right now, bro. We're literally getting the hell out of here right now. Yo! Oh my god! What the freak is that? Holy shit! Oh my god, yo, let's get the hell out of here, bro. Oh my god. What the freak was that? Bro, oh my god, what the hell?